Alright guys, here what I'm showing you is the Bitcoin daily chart. This was the Wyckoff distribution. It took about approximately half a year, dropped the price a good 55%. Here are the major components of it. PSI, AR, BC, buying climax, preliminary support, automatic rally, secondary test. The up thrust, UTAD, up thrust goes back into the trading range quite a bit. The UTAD, the last point of resistance, basically last preliminary support, and then it collapses down, right? Into that accumulation down here. But, so this was the Wyckoff distribution. Everybody was talking about this. I'm going to show you something interesting, okay? Let's get rid of this. Actually, yeah, let's just get rid of all of it. Let's remove the drawings. And then let's do this. This, right? Maybe you'll start seeing what I'm doing. Okay. Hopefully you understand what I'm doing at this point. We have the beginnings of a 2-year-long distribution. Okay, this line is the same line that occurred in this smaller one, and it basically looked something like this. And then the second it was broken, it collapsed through. If you go to the daily, we'll see. We'll be able to see a little better. This line that was being built, this diagonal, which happens for whatever reason in all distributions, Wyckoff distributions, is this one. Meaning, if you look at where we're at, it means we're in this area. This would be that line that I'm talking about right here. Right. So we're in this area here. What does this mean? Well, 1, 2, 3 probably humps. If not, maybe it's the second type of distribution where it sort of hits here, maybe breaks a few times, and then goes down. All right, what does that mean? Well, it should break at some point around summer, if this is the correct pattern. So we can see it maybe chopping around here, maybe, you know, and then attempting that one final push up. Or if it does chop around here and then it shoots up, does the classic 3 up thrust pattern, it'll probably start slicing downwards and then dump. This is what I expect, right? I expect upwards motion slowly. Maybe it's really quickly, who knows, but I'm expecting it to occur slowly. And then I'm waiting for it to break this point. Once this breaks, I don't want it to ever go back into that trading range again. And if it does go under, let's say 60,000, I'm gonna sell, right? But that's after it breaks upward, because it might do something like this, right? That is what I'm looking for. I don't know if it's gonna happen. It seems like it's playing out pretty well. This would be the UTAD at the end, and then a series of last preliminary supports as it cascades down. This is what I'm talking about, guys. I don't know if this is gonna happen. Nobody has talked about this. but I can easily see this occurring because it is forming that shape. And if this was on a time frame that I trade, I would easily trade this. Like, these are the types of shapes I often see. So let me know what you guys think.